Bay.
Living life in California.
If Jay-Z can rap about the NYC, why can't I talk about the shit I see without Alicia Keys, without going R&B? This ain't Motown, this is R.A.P.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Niggas can't stay if his name ain't good. All the way from the Bay to LA in the wood.
What?
This is how it is when you're living in California.
California swagger, buck record sales, industry outlaw like Josie Wales. California off the corner, I'ma warn ya, I'm the only West Coast king. Idiot, I mean, get you in the ring, I'm shitty as Don King. I'm taking all the money before the bell ring. Before I grab the mic, the fat bitch sing. It's already over.